Hey guys, welcome to Stability Before Strength. My name is Oscar and I'll be your guide through this 13-week training plan. This is week 1, day 3, and this workout burns between 1,028 calories to 1,157 calories. We are going to get started with a warm-up routine. Here's the list of all the drills we are going to perform. You can click on the link to start the warm-up and then come back to the video to continue. Today, we will continue to run for 30 to 60 minutes or 4 to 8 miles at a really comfortable pace. This will help us increase our endurance and continue to lay a strong foundation that will help us during the second and third phase of this training program. These slow and easy runs help us develop specific adaptations that will help change our bodies from the inside, from increasing our plasma levels, then doubling our mitochondrial cells, which are used to produce energy, and finally more enzymes that love to break down fat to use for energy. This is why these runs are important and serve a specific purpose in our training program. Today, there is no part 3. For the first phase, there is no strength conditioning workouts for day 3, day 6, and day 7. Use this time to rest and recover or perform more stretches to help keep your body healthy and injury-free. Concentrate on areas that feel tight like your IT band, hip flexors, or other areas that need improvement. You can use the running stretches found on the cooldown routine and increase the amount of time spent on each stretch from 30 to 60 seconds, or perform each stretch 3 to 4 times. You can click on the link to guide you through all the stretches. Here's the list of all the stretches that are included in this routine. That's it for today. Remember that this is day 3 of phase 1 and that each phase lasts 3 weeks for a total of 13 weeks before the half marathon. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and informative. See you guys later.